today we're going to be making 4 sets of coasters out of this beautiful cherry. Oh God. I'm going to cut this piece to 4 1/4 inches wide. And these will be the coasters. 4. This wood's pretty warped, so it pinched the blade. Let's try that again from the other side. That didn't work either. Okay, let's cut it in half. 8 3/4. The reason I'm not doing 8 1/2 is because the blade's width is an 1/8 inch, so that makes up for the difference with that extra 1/4 inch.
Deep down, I wanna do the right thing. Wanna stack my guap up so that I can get a right chain. Sleep so sound every single night. When I can buy a belly in bed, I'm not minding. Rolled up with a sack, had it on his lap. Smoking on this grass and my homie grew the patch. Shit so gas that it made me took a nap. Always making music and you know that shit slap. Someday I'ma blow up like a landmine. Get it for the real ones, gonna have a great time. Brand new Beamer, brand new bands. Ride around town with my same old friends like.
Now that I have these pieces,
Deep down, I wanna do the right thing. Wanna stack my guap up so that I can get a right chain. Sleep so sound every single night. When I can buy a belly in bed, I'm not minding.
Thoughts in my thoughts, man, I feel like I'm dying.
now we got our 4 sets cut.
Yeah, made a map in my own head, but I can't read it when I'm high. And I don't give a fuck what you thought about my life, man. Living it right now, at least in my eyes. And trying to get it right, yes, I want all the nice things. Brand new with big house on the ocean. Trying to get a yacht, put my whole family on it. Big property with a couple houses on it. Forget about them days when I couldn't pay for nothing.
Deep down, I wanna do the right thing. Wanna stack my guap up so that I can get a right chain. Sleep so sound every single night. When I
So now I'm gonna cut this to 5 1/2 so that it's a little bit bigger than this, so that I have room to put pieces on the corners so that they all sit in place. Or so that I have room to put pieces here to hold them all in place. 2 pieces that I can cut this way. But first, I'm gonna cut this way to the same size, because this is a rough edge. Noise. That was a lot of smoke coming out. I did not like that. I feel comfortable just holding it, so I'm gonna do that and see if that helps.
can buy a belly in bed, I'm not minding. Load my heart into my magazine because it is hollow. I don't know the point of living life, that's why I'm always on one. Left me in the dark, now I'm always shining. Smoking till I'm paranoid, drinking till I feel the void, but I never feel the void, oh.
There's a lot of smoke. insane. I started seeing embers flying down, that's why I stopped it. I don't know why this is smoking so much. Oh, it's because it's pinching the blade really bad. That's why. Well, I'm gonna try to finish the cut from this side. Oh God. Okay, there's a little fire right there. We're gonna put that out and then keep going. I need to clean this out though, so that, yeah, this is not good. Put this out. I get them out. I think we'll just go out. There's like barely anything still in there burning, but it is in there burning. Yeah, just gonna wait it out. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to cut these like this anymore, because that did not work. Oh, there we have it. Whoa, look at that. It's like, that piece looks crazy right there. If it'll focus. That's insane. Look at that. It's like a layer on it. Wow. Okay, well, I have two that I can use, and I can just chisel these little sections off that didn't cut. That and that. So, I found a different design that not only uses less wood and looks better, but it also won't start a fire in my shop trying to cut these pieces of wood. So, I'm gonna go with that. So, let's do it. I'm starting by cutting strips 3/4 of an inch wide.
Pour me up another one, sip until we see the sun. Tequila and a big old blunt, got me feeling real stuff. Oh, all I really wanna do is prosper. Think about what we had and I start falling. Using drugs as a crutch and that is my problem.
Using drugs as a crutch, and that is my problem. Really, I don't know if I wanna find another way to solve it. And I don't know if you can handle all the things I'm involved with. Want you in my life, but I don't wanna cause you trauma. Smoking sweet leaves, stuffed with Skittles, yes I love the aroma. Run around the town, acting like I fucking own it.
Load my heart into my magazine because it is hollow. I don't know the point of living life, and that's why I'm always on one. Left me in the dark, now I'm always shining.
You know I wish you well, even though you put my ass through hell. Like I've been going through things you couldn't understand. I don't really know, but I know that I'm the man. And I've been trying to figure out some ways to stop the tears from coming out my mama's eyes. Just wanna live a great life with a big house sitting on the lakeside.
So now I've got all these upright pieces chiseled out, and this is the length, well, just a tiny bit long of the length I want for the cross pieces. So now I need to cut 2 cross pieces for each one. So I'm going to use these 4 or 8, these 8 pieces. And actually I'm going to use this one. I don't have holes in it. So I'm going to use these 8 pieces, and then I will cut a dado in the middle, the exact middle of all of these, so that then they can flip like this and sit together. And then I'll be able to glue it all up. What up? It's the next day, and these pieces right here need to be dadoed down the middle so that they can click together like this and sit flush in the middle. So we're gonna do that right now. Now I just gotta chisel all this out so that it's all flat and they should click together. So here we have all the pieces. These are the uprights. And these are the sides, or the bottoms. They go together like that. And then sit in between. And then the coasters sit in there like that. Since these crosses aren't completely flat, so I do need to fix these. The depth of these, they're not quite half. So what I'm gonna do is look at my calipers. It's 0.247, and this one looks like it's pretty spot on actually. Oh no, it needs to go a tiny bit more. So the thickness of the piece is 4.61, so I'll call it 4.6. So if it's 4.6, that means 2.3 is half, obviously. So 2.
I'm editing this right now, and I know this is getting a little jumbled, but just bear with me because these coasters turn out good, and I think you're going to enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks for making it this far.
I should be able to scrape a little bit of excess off of these. Try these two together. Oh, that's perfect. Got this glued up. Now, just need to sand these so that this is all flush and flat. So these coasters can sit on there nice. And then I can glue them into these pieces and they'll be done. Boom. Just like so. So let's sand them. Sand them up. So I messed one of them up, so I had to make a new one. And it's nighttime, so I hand chiseled it so it wasn't loud making it with the saws. And here we go. Let's pop it apart, because I just got it all fitted together. And we'll get it glued up. So we got these 3 coaster sets now, and they're all complete. I just need to put some finish on them, and then I can go give them to my grandma, and she will give me money. On the Butcher Block conditioner, it does a great job at being a finish, and it's food safe, which is cool if you're worried about your health or whatever, you know. Literally just squirt it on and rub it around, and that's it. Let it dry. I need to do both these stands and all the rest of these coasters, so I'm gonna time lapse that so you don't have to sit here longer than you need to. So here it is. They're all finished. I'm gonna let those dry. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go deliver them to my grandma. And she's gonna buy these. Yeah, that's about it.